Did you know that radish greens help reduce memory loss and also protects your lungs? So this is how you clean your radish greens. Remove the center stem, and how do you do it? Tear the leaves like this. Wash it well and your radish greens is now ready. I'm going to make a delicious thogayal or chutney. Add urad dal, red chilli, add this according to your taste. Now add the radish greens. Mix it well, just cook it for a few minutes. Add salt, a small piece of tamarind, and that's it. Grind it in the mixie with little water. And your radish greens thogayal is now ready. Add it to hot rice, add ghee, and this tastes simply amazing. You can store it in the fridge up to 3 to 4 days. Do try.